Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and network alignment. Make sure the TV and phone share the same Wi-Fi network or enable Wi-Fi Direct if available. Once done, open the app you want to mirror or swipe to the phone's quick settings and tap Cast/Screen Mirroring. Grant location and network permissions when prompted, because those allow device discovery. This immediate step gets your devices talking so the TV appears in the device list. Select it to initiate the connection. Once you've selected the TV, you'll see a connection progress and often a confirmation prompt on the TV. Accept it using the remote if necessary. If the phone or app offers resolution or orientation options, choose them now so text and video scale correctly. For external dongles like Chromecast, ensure the TV input matches the dongle's HDMI. For smart TVs, pick the correct source app. Make sure audio routing is set to TV speakers, because sometimes audio stays on the phone by default. To finish, stop casting from your phone's notification, or open the cast control and tap disconnect, or switch the TV input away from the cast source. If video lags or disconnects, make sure you're on a 5 GHz network and move devices closer to the router. Restart the router, TV, and phone if problems persist. For persistent latency or compatibility issues, use a wired HDMI adapter. It bypasses Wi-Fi and gives a stable, low-latency mirror. That single change fixes most stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.